Hi, hello guys, welcome to Style Digitals. My name is Paulo Logo. Now, this is a channel where I talk about how to create online content, be it videos, be it graphics, and many other things, and also how to create money online. Now, today I want to show you how to create a simple ad using Filmora 10. The ad is going to talk about, the ad is going to advertise a lotion company. Now, let's begin. Now, after opening Filmora, you'll just come and choose where you place the images. Now I'll use this image and this video here. So what will I do? I'll come and click this one here, or I can even come here, file, import media files. Then it will take me where I want to import them. Then I'll choose this one and this one. Then I'll just open them like so. Then I'll just say no for that. I don't want to do that. Then after that, okay, maybe you're wondering where I got the images. I got the images in this site called Pixels. You can get free videos and free images here. Now, for example, this video here, the video, this video here, this video here, how do you get it? You just come here and type green screen. So I'm going to use a green screen video in this context, and this one I just look for the image. I just typed lotion, so and you just get the image. Now that site, those images and videos are free from copyright issues. You can use them commercially and also personally. Now I also did a video initially of where to get free videos and free audios, so you can take a look at it. Now after doing that, I'll simply drag this one here. Now I won't play it. I'll just drag it here. Then then after that, I'll create another video track. I'll click this one to put another video track, so I'll add like so. Then I'll drag this one on top of this like that. Now I'll just maintain that ratio. This is just for demonstration purposes. So you realize this video is on top of this, so you cannot see this. And I also want this one to cover. Now then what will I do? I'll try to extend this one here from end to end like so. Now if I press play, this video is a little bit heavy, that's why it's lagging. You can see. Now the next thing I'm going to do, let me just pause it. Okay, so I'll play a little bit like so. Now the next thing, I'll select this video here, then I'll double click here like 3 times. Then it will bring me this dialog box under videos. Then I'll check this or check this. You see what has happened? See what has happened? It has removed the background. So I want to make it more visible, so I'll drag this offset. It becomes more visible. Then I just say okay. Now you see, now I'm able to see this one here, the background. Now what will I do? I'll minimize this and maybe extend it till up to here like so. And also this one, let it cover the whole screen like so, here to here, and sorry, end to end. Then also this one, maybe stretch it a little bit, stretch it here a little bit like so, stretch it a little bit. Then if I play, see now then the next step, I'm going to add some words so that to give some people information of what's going on. So I'll just come here under titles, then I'll come to titles, no sorry, titles, then I'll come to titles, then I'll just let me use this one. It looks more fancy. I think it looks more fancy. Okay, then what will I do? I'll drag it just like I've dragged so. Then give me option. Then I'll just come here and change the words. Maybe I write makes you feel fresh all day. Yeah, then maybe it is white, it's not contrasting or blending well with the background pictures and the video. So let me choose a darker. Maybe I select all of it like so. Maybe choose this one here. Maybe this purple, and I say okay. Now, what will I do next? I'll try to adjust the text like so. Maybe I don't want it to be so big. So what do? I'll try to minimize the size, but I make sure I select all of it like so. Maybe it is 78. Maybe try okay, 56. But you can also reduce using this placeholder there. Okay, let me maybe okay. Press okay. Then maybe let me drag it here. Maybe somewhere here. Then I'll want to play. Let's see how it will be. It lags a little bit because the video looks a little bit heavy. So if I play, see. Now the next thing I'm going to add is audio so that it makes it more good. Now Filmora 10 has inbuilt audio that you can use, they're free for commercial use and many other aspects that you can say to use them for. Now if I'll just come and click the audio, then maybe but you'll have to download them. Maybe there are different types of audio that you can choose, maybe even sound effects, music. But I don't want to use this one, so I'll use my own. You can even import your own music. So let me try maybe this one here. Then I'll just drag it. Then let me play. No, I don't like that. Maybe try this one here. Maybe let me see. Let me play. That's so slow. Let me try another one. Maybe let me try. Let me just return this one here. Then I'll come and click here and I'll play. Yeah, I think I like the beats from here. So what will I do? I'll come here, make sure this is selected, cut from here, delete this first part, delete this, you just press delete. Or you can just right click and press delete, or you can just press delete in your keyboard. Then I'll come again here, cut here so that it becomes a portion of the other ones. Then I'll come right click and delete this one here. Now let's play from the beginning to the end. A little bit, maybe. The video is a little bit heavy. Okay, then the next thing I'll do after that, I think everything is okay. I'll come here, as you can see. Yeah. Now, then the next thing I'll do, I'll come here, export, so that I have a full video. That is okay. Just come. Now I'll name it Lotion Advert. Then I'll decide where I'm going to okay, advert or add. Then the location where it's going to be saved, I'll just leave it like so. Maybe I'll just put it okay, let it be saved here. Then I just press export. It's going to this the dimension 50 MB, 15 MB, sorry. Then I just press export. Then I'll wait for a few seconds or minutes for it to export. Now after waiting for a few seconds, sometimes even minutes, depending on the heaviness and quality of the video is ready. Now let's look at it, how it will go. This is where we saved it. Here it is. Let's play it so that you see how it will be. Now guys, that's how to make a simple video or advert over Lotion. You can do this. You can do this advert in any industry. What you just need to do: go and look for a good video. Use green screen technology. If you don't have any video, go to those sites like Pixels and download a video and download a picture that you can use as the background. Now guys, thanks for watching. There are more videos that I've made previously. You can watch them. There's the link description section. Have a nice day. Peace.